Assalamu alaikum students. Students, today is our fourth lecture. Roman numbers के बारे में हम पढ़ चुके थे. History of Roman numbers. Today we are going to learn about the 3 rules of Roman numbers. आप लोग जब Roman numbers write करते हो तो उसके लिए specific rules है. आप उन rules को follow करोगे, then you people write Roman numbers easily. Clear? So we move toward the 3 rules of Roman numbers. The first rule of Roman number is placing any smaller number mark before any greater number mark indicate subtracting the smaller number from the greater. The first one rule is again placing any smaller number before any greater number mark indicate subtracting the smaller number from the greater number. मतलब यह है कि जब आप किसी भी ग्रेटर नंबर से पहले मार्क लगाते हैं, आई सिंबल लगाते हैं, this symbol means subtraction. Before any greater number, when you people put any smaller number, it's mean subtraction. Just like, look at to the symbol IV. IV means subtracting 1 from 5. V is used for symbol 5. Remember you people, the thumb and your index finger make this one sign in the previous lecture. So we represent 5 when you people put 1 before V. It's become 1 before 5, sorry, it's become 4. So 5 minus 1 equal to 4. IV stand for 4. Clear? The next one rule is rule number 2. Placing any smaller number mark after any larger number mark indicates adding the smaller number to get greater number. Placing any smaller number mark after any larger number mark indicates adding the smaller to the greater number. इसका मतलब क्या है? इसका मतलब है कि जब आप लोग किसी भी ग्रेटर नंबर के बाद, आफ्टर, बिफोर मीन पहले, आफ्टर मीन बाद में, जब आप उसके बाद कोई भी स्मॉलर नंबर राइट करते हो तो इसका मतलब होता है एडिशन. इट्स मीन एडिशन. जब आप इसको पहले राइट करते हो, बिफोर किसी भी ग्रेटर नंबर से कोई भी मार्क, कोई भी स्मॉलर नंबर बिफोर राइट करते हो, इट्स मीन सब्ट्रैक्शन. दिस इज द फर्स्ट रूल, रिमेंबर इट. द सेकंड वन रूल, when you people put any mark after the large number, when you people put any mark, जब आप कोई भी मार्क किसी भी नंबर के ग्रेटर नंबर के बाद लगाते हो, इट्स मीन एडिशन. जस्ट लाइक 6, 5, again index finger and the thumb make Roman number 5, 5, and the next one mark is 1. When you people add 5 and 1, it's mean 6. VI means adding 1 and 5. 1 plus 5 makes 6. So VI stand for 6. Clear? Move toward the third rule. The third rule, you are allowed to add up to 3 marks only after a greater number and subtract only 1 mark from a greater number. Again, in the first rule, you people learn that we put any smaller number before any greater number. When you people put smaller number before the greater number, it means subtraction. Just like 4, IV make 4. And the second rule is when you people put any smaller number after any greater number, it means addition. But remember, the third rule is you are allowed to add up to 3 marks only after a greater number and subtract only 1 mark from a greater number. This means you people just add 3 marks. You people put 3 marks after any number. But you people subtract, you people put only 1 mark before any smaller number. Okay, remember these 3 rules. When we do the practice of Roman numbers 1 to 20, we apply these 3 rules. Okay, therefore, there is no symbol like double I, V or V for I's. Clear? So the first rule, one time again, we repeated, the first rule is you people put 1 mark before any greater mark. It's mean subtraction. Just like IV represent 4. The meaning of this symbol is you people subtract 1 from 5. The next one, when you people, the second rule is placing any smaller number after any greater number. Now you people move toward your right side. When you people put the symbol on your left side, this is subtraction. When you people put the symbol on your right side, it's mean addition. On left side, you people just put only 1 mark. But on the right side, you people put up to 3 mark. Clear? This is the 3 rules. Okay, now move toward the next one, number 9 and 10. If you remember rule 3, we can't write 9 as V for I's because we just put 3 marks after any numbers, not more than 3 marks you people put after any numbers. You people put 3 marks on your right side of any greater number to make any Roman numbers. And you people put only 1 mark before, means on your left side for making any Roman numbers. Cross your hands at the rest. As shown, you can see the 10 fingers of 2 hands and the symbol X. This represents 10. Look at to this one picture. You people cross your both one hand, 5 finger of one hand, 5 finger of next one hand. So it's become the symbol of 10. Clear? Cross your hand, all of you. Good. Okay, now move toward the next one. Again, following the practice of combining symbols and the 3 rules, the number 9 is written by putting 1 mark before the greater number mark. So 9 makes when you people subtract 1 from 10. The symbol of 10 is X. When you people cross both one hands, 5 finger of one hand, 5 finger of another hand. So both one hands make 10 and let's make a symbol of just like X. For 9, you people follow the first rule. You people subtract 1 from 9 means you people put 1 I before on your left side of 10. So it's become 9. Clear? Okay. Now move toward practice. Okay. All of you take out your rough notebook. Hurry up. Hurry up. Show me your rough notebook, all of you. Aslan, Mustafa, Abdullah, hurry up. Show me your rough notebook. Hurry up, hurry up. That's good. Hurry up. Show me your rough notebook. Arsalan, where is your rough notebook? Muhammad Arsalan, where is your rough notebook? Hamdan, well done. Good. That's good. Shahsawar, well done. Saad Hayat, good. Okay. Now, you people write Arabic numbers. Arabic numbers write from 1 to 10. Hurry up. First of all, you people write Arabic numbers 1 to 10. Write 1, 2. Start writing, students. Start writing in your rough notebooks. Hurry up. Start writing. Start writing. Hurry up, students. And write Arabic numerals 1 to 10. Show me. Show me your rough notebooks. Hurry up. Write counting 1 to 10. Hurry up. Show me. Shazen. Write counting. Shahsawar. Well done. Muhammad Ahmad. Write counting 1 to 10. Well done, Shazen. That's good. Next. Okay. No. For fun, you people write Roman numbers. Just give headings. Just you people look on your mobile phone. Good. Okay. For one, you people write just one symbol in Roman numbers. Hurry up. Now write in Roman numbers. For one, you people put just one I. Good. For two, you people put two I's together. 1 plus 1 make 2. So write 2. Show me Muazzam your notebook. Write Roman 2 in Roman numbers. Good. Well done. Great. No. For 3, you people put 3 I's. 1, 1, 1. It's make 3. Hurry up. Show me your notebooks, okay? Show me. Muhammad Ahmad, show me your notebook. That's good. Shazan, well done. Saad Hayat, show me your notebook. Shahsawar. Zikriya, show me your notebook. Okay, for 4. Yes, good. For 4, you people follow the rule 1. You people subtract. You people subtract 1 from 5. For subtraction, you people write 1 I on your left side or your right side. On your left side or on your right side? You may answer, students. On which side you people put I's to get Roman number 4? You may answer, students. Unmute your mics. Shahsawar, unmute your mic.
Left side.
4 के लिए आप 1 I किस साइड पे लगाओगे? अपने लेफ्ट साइड पे कि राइट साइड पे? You may answer.
Left side.
Left side. It's good. On left side means subtraction. So 5 minus 1 make 4. Yes. Okay, now move toward the 5. 5 have a specific symbol which you people make from your thumb and index finger. Okay, for 6, we follow rule number 2. And rule number 2 is you people add. You people add up to 3 mark on your right side. So for 6, 5 already you have. We mean 5. When you people add any number, which one number you people add to 5 to get 6? 5 के साथ क्या मिलाए कि आंसर आपको 6 मिले? कौन सा नंबर? 1. एडिशन के लिए हम राइट साइड पे जाएंगे कि लेफ्ट साइड पे जाएंगे?
Right.
Which one side?
Right.
Right side. So you people add 1 in 5. On your right side, you people add 1 in V. So you people get 6. Move toward 7. Again, you people have 5 specific symbol. Okay? 5 के साथ कितने मार्क ऐड करें कि आंसर आपको 7 मिले? हाउ मेनी नंबर्स यू कैन इन 5? 5 में कितने नंबर्स ऐड करें?
मैडम 2
2 आइज। 2 आइज लेफ्ट साइड पे ऐड करेंगे या राइट साइड पे?
राइट
साइड पे?
मैडम राइट
Right side पे. That's great because on left side means subtraction. On right side means addition.
एडिशन
Plus 2 eyes में 7. Okay, move toward 8. You people have symbol 5. 5 में हम कितने मार्क ऐड करें? कितने eyes लगे कि हम आंसर गेट करें? 8. Yes. 5 में हम 3 नंबर्स ऐड करेंगे तो हम आंसर गेट करेंगे 8.
मैडम
Okay. For 9 you people subtract 1 from 10, and for 10 again when you people cross your hand it's make symbol of 10. Clear? Okay. Your homework is write Roman numbers 1 to 10 on rough copy. अभी आपकी प्रैक्टिस हो चुकी है ना रोमन नंबर्स की, सबकी हो चुकी है. अब आप लोगों ने क्या करना है? सेम एज इट इज पेज रेडी करना है जैसे ये पेज रेडी है. ओके, लेकिन आपको थर्ड कॉलम राइट करने की जरूरत नहीं है. आपने जस्ट रोमन नंबर्स राइट करने हैं 1 to 10, देन अरेबिक नंबर एंड रोमन. सेम आपने ये प्रैक्टिस करनी है. इंशाल्लाह कल जब जैसी ही क्लास स्टार्ट होगी मैंने फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आप लोगों का होमवर्क चेक करना है. क्लियर? कोई प्रॉब्लम है आप चैट बॉक्स में क्वेश्चंस पूछ सकते हैं. कल हम दोबारा डिस्कस करेंगे. ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज.
मैडम